of number, I'd like you to try and practice this throughout the week. Anytime you have a spare moment, then begin to collect examples of the root numbers of things. Because if you get enough examples in your head, you're going to start to see that something that belongs to the house of four and another thing that roots to the house of four has a certain kind of correlation with itself. They're connected usually somehow. In other words, they have a tuning fork.
A tuning fork to each other or to the
Well, both.
yeah.
Both.
Yeah.
Both the tuning fork to the house of four and a tuning fork to each other. Even down to the point of odd or even tends to have tuning forks. You'll have more fights if your birthday root number, you know how to do this, like, right? 4-3-1972. 4 plus 3 plus 1, 9, 7, 2 equals 8. All right, I'm an 8. Take your own birthday, figure out what you are.
Yeah.
You'll find it's not exactly a repellent, but you'll have more disagreement with someone who is an even number. If your root number is even, you're going to disagree with me, and I'm going to disagree with you more than if it's odd, because there's a kind of an attraction there, isn't there? Right? And then see the side eye, and then you can
I'm trying
figure
to
out.
work out how an interaction between a 2 and a 9 is a result of personality or design.
Well, you're going to act like a pendulum together, because 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. So
Yeah,
she
so
wins every
2's a
time.
1 yeah.
Hannah's going to win every time.
I wish I did that.
Don't forget my saying, yeah? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
I'm always right except for when I'm wrong, and that can be quite often or not often depending on my frame of mind.
Yeah, and you're just going to hold it all, aren't you? Right? Because nine is the house that holds.
Yeah. Got the collection of all the good and bad of both 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Plus
That's
Aquarius.
why there's not a 10. A 10 would be a fully developed person. They would root to 10. This has to do with the 13th sign and the 13th disciple, as opposed to the 12 disciples, 12 apostles, whichever language you like.